Here's some math I did a while ago for excess heat sources. We have our dryer, which is huge, and tankless water heater for showering, which is also huge. You do up the math. These are just estimates. I don't know how accurate these are. So you do the math, 150 kilowatt hours per month for the dryer, 180 for the tankless water heater. Combined 330 kilowatt hours. It works out to be a watts continuous of 458 watts. Average home use, looked it up, 1200 watts. AC is X percent of watt usage. This will go down to like almost zero due to the thermal efficiencies of Arkology, so that's why I'm getting rid of the AC use. I'm not factoring in the AC use. So you get rid of this 19%, you get 972 new average home watt use, which means you take 458 divided by 972, and you get this excess heat as a percent of total, 47% as a percent of total. Now, if you do your laundry let's say you take less showers, it's down to 31 showers per day. We'll go with, it went from 47% to 12% just by doing less laundry and taking less showers. So this is for your 2.6 person family, a shower every other day. I mean, you get a little stinky, but you're talking about saving 35% on your energy usage by showering like every third day. And same for loads of laundry. So this went from 330 kilowatt hours per month to 83 kilowatt hours per month. Went from 400 to 115. So once again, 35% reduction in energy use by showering less often and doing less laundry.